Hello everyone. My name is Mitali Rohra, and in this video I will talk on analysis of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. So first of all, I will speak on its history and also on its background. So Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank Limited has its headquarters at Thothukudi, Tamil Nadu, India. TMB was founded in 1921 and named as Nadar Bank. Later on in 1962, it changed its name to Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. For the financial year 2018 and 19, the bank reported the net profit of 2,585 million. Right now, the bank has revenue of 3,992 crore and operating income 995 crore. TMB was rated as the fastest growing private sector. This bank has continuously have more and more profit each year. It was also rated as the best bank in the years 2013, 14, and 15. During the year of 2018 and 19, it did the total business of 616 billion rupees. The bank's planned outlay for the financial year is to reach business worth rupees 600 billion rupees. And also, the expansion has been great. The bank has been expanding its footprint all over India. The bank currently has 509 full branches throughout the India and 12 regional offices, and also 1,135 ATM machines. As we can look into the financial reports, these are these assets, deposits, and non-performing assets for this respective financial years. If we move forward, these are some of the highlights. As we can see, CASA. CASA is current account and saving account. So these has been increasing. In 2020 to 21, it was increased to 28.52%. Return on equity has also been increasing, as well as return on assets. So you can see financially, this bank has been growing and expanding its business. These are some more financial highlights. These all numbers are in crores. As you can see, the total business each year is increasing. In 2018 to 19, it was around 61,624 crores. And in 2019, it rose to 64,540 crores. And now it is 72,040 crore. The net income was 407 crore. As you can see, each year it's been increasing. Now, this is the graphical analysis of this bank. As if we are looking forward for non-performing assets, we can see that in 2019 and 20, the non-performing assets were more. As we can see to the net advances. Net advances has also been increased, as well as deposits. As we look forward for the assets and liabilities, we can see the more diameter is in 2020 to 21. So the assets and liabilities for 2020 and 21 are highest. While moving forward, we have also done our research. The customer of this bank says that we are banking with TMB since the last 20 years and have been profit-making and growing concern ever since. Many thanks to the continued supports and cooperation extended by the banks. As you can see that this bank has doing great. TMB has tie-up arrangement with IDBI Bank and also HDFC Bank. These are some products and services provided by this bank. Banking facility anywhere, anytime, mobile SMS banking, GMAT account services, current account, loans, and many more. This was all about the bank. Thank you.